We're here at the
City Center.
the City Center here in Hamilton, Ontario. We got ourselves the KONE. We got ourselves the KONE. I like the floor. I'm going out. Doors closing. That floor. Yeah, doors closing. Door close button works. It's a nice elevator. Wonder what this whole thing was here. Yeah, look at that lantern.
You going to?
Yeah, we are. Because you can't go to water on this thing. 2,500 pounds or 1,150 kilograms. So we got a KONE. Love the voice. Doors opening. Going out. Wonder if they just installed that thing later, or they probably added that thing in there. In a way, I guess that is gonna be it for me.